Are you looking to upgrade your streaming workouts? In this tutorial, we're going to build a package that you can use to develop content for under $100. Welcome to this tutorial on upgrading your streaming workout for under $100. My name is Tyler Valencia and I'm the president of KIPS and Kettlebell Concepts. If you're already streaming your workouts from home, you've probably already experienced what a process it can be. In this video, we want to provide you with tools that can make your video look and sound that much better. Purchasing and setting up video gear can be confusing since there are a ton of options and can add up in cost easily. But hopefully, this tutorial sheds some light on what your options can be. Later on in the video, we'll do a setup with the gear purchased from Amazon and show you a little before and after to give you a point of reference. Before going any further, please make sure to subscribe to KIPS for future content for fitness professionals. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on some of the basic tools that are going to be cost effective and practical. That is a tripod, video rig to hold your phone, a shotgun microphone, and an LED light. There's a couple items sprinkled in there that will be required to pull it all together, but those essentials can make a big impact on the quality of your virtual workout. Not to mention, we'll keep the total of this under $100. $100 is still a good chunk of change, but anyone familiar with video or camera equipment knows that you can easily spend that on just one of those items. Let's start with the tripod. The one we're using in this tutorial is the Amazon Basics version, which comes in at $16.49. This is actually the tripod I've had for my own personal uses for years. It's lightweight and ranges in height from 16.5 inches to 50 inches. You can put it on top of a desk if you're recording content, or pop it up in a gym if you're streaming a workout. It's easy to set up and pretty plug and play for its price. Is this tripod the best? Of course not, but it gets the job done. It's only $16.49. This brings up how you're going to get your phone connected to the tripod and all the other accessories. The camera rig we picked up on Amazon is the Zadio smartphone rig, which comes in at $14.99. Again, you can't beat the price for what you're getting. The ability to attach a microphone, multiple lights, and attach to your tripod is a steal. There's several on the market that just attach the phone to the tripod and cost just as much or more. So to get more at this price point is solid for what we're trying to accomplish. Now moving on to one of the items that's going to drastically improve your video, sound. I can't stress enough how having quality sound changes the outcome of your video. When your audience can hear you clearly, not only are they going to watch for longer, but they're going to see the extra effort you're putting into the video to make it a professional service. In this tutorial, we're using the Takstar shotgun microphone, and it's the largest expenditure at $29.95, but it's easily worth it. The shotgun microphone can easily attach to the Zadio video rig, and with an Apple adapter, you can plug it into your phone. That's an additional $7.99 on Amazon, but it's something you don't want to forget when you're setting everything up. Okay, last piece of the puzzle, lighting. In past tutorials, we've talked about the importance of having solid lighting and what a difference even a little lighting does to your videos. At the price point we're trying to stay in, we got the 112 LED Video Light Mini Pocket on Amazon, which comes in at $25.95. For the price and what we're looking to accomplish, this light source isn't bad at all. It hooks on nicely to the rig and provides some solid lighting for the subject. Some other nice features are that it's battery powered or can be directly powered with the cord that has a USB-N. The dimming feature is also convenient depending on how you're going to use it or where you're going to use it. Again, for $25.95, you're not going to be getting a light source that's going to make you look like a professional streamer. But can you get some better quality content? You sure can. And that's what we're going for. Let's now assemble this package and do some quick tests. This is a test with the video rig. The LED light is off. The microphone is not connected. It's just the tripod, the video rig, and my phone. This is a test with the full setup. The overhead light is off, the LED light is on, the microphone is attached, and I'm roughly 4 feet away from the camera. This is a test with now the overhead light on, the LED light is on, the microphone is attached, and I'm still roughly 4 feet away from the camera. Before wrapping this up, a couple items to consider. If you're recording content to build a library of workouts, please consider editing your videos. There's cheap or even free editing apps that can make this process relatively seamless. Where you're trying to avoid is showing the beginning setup and end where you're turning off the camera. You can also add titles or other items to keep the video engaging, which all add to the overall quality of your video. The last item we want to throw in there are some video settings. If you go to your iPhone settings and scroll down to camera, there's an option to change your record settings. Changing this to 4K at 30 frames per second can be a nice addition to recorded content. Just think, the more ways you can capture quality content, the easier it will be for service that you want to sell. All these items can make it easier for you to sell workouts and add a revenue stream. That's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and let us know which tools you're going to be using to improve your video quality.